Well, Jeff, today I really wanted to chat about the people behind maintenance and planning and scheduling, since I know that this is a topic that you've covered quite a bit, both in your writing and also within the company. So I guess the first question I've got for you, where have you found the best maintenance planners and schedulers that are effective? Where did they come from? What skills did they hold? I think we were just talking about this right before we started recording. Was 37% of people that apply for these jobs don't actually have the skills and aptitude. Where do you find the ones that are?
Yeah, the reality for planning and scheduling is one of the more detailed roles that we have in the organization. So, on the surface, obviously we want computer skills, is a huge piece for us because we're working with tools like Upkeep. We got to get the CMMS and we got to make it work. But in addition to that, they need to be motivated, self-driven, because a lot of times they're actually working in a solo fashion. And they have to go out to the job site by themselves. And a planner should spend a third of the day in the field. And so they go out and they actually look at the jobs and they plan for those. So they need to, be able to go out and be driven to do that. And they have to be people friendly. We've talked a lot about people already, but there has to be a collaborative approach. How do you actually get and help people buy into what you're trying to do? And so we make a mistake because we think that the planner is supposed to give the technician a fully detailed job plan. The reality is we want the planner to give them a head start, and then we can improve that over time with feedback, and build that into the job plans. So it's really important. But what I'll say is here's the piece that we often miss, and I see so many organizations don't do in the right way. We don't pull craft skills in. If you're going to plan for the work, you really need craft skills for the work you're going to plan for. And I see organizations take people in, and we get into great discussions all the time. And I teach planning and scheduling classes like for the University of Tennessee, RMIC. And as part of that, you'll have people in the roles and they'll be like, well, Jeff, I don't have craft skills. And I'm like, okay, but the learning curve is much longer for you because of that. It's not that it can't be accomplished, it can, but the reality is the learning curve is much steeper and you have to overcome that. Some people can really come up the curve quickly, but others can't. And it also hurts you with credibility with the technicians. And I'll add this too. What we see is many times companies will actually go and they'll try to promote from within. They'll try to take technicians and make them planners. But HR gets involved, and when they do the job posting, what happens is maybe it's a salary position, and they want to pay like 70 grand a year or some number, And as part of that, the technician looks at it and says, well, with the overtime, I'm making $100,000 a year now. And so if I take this job, it's going to directly impact my pocketbook, my wallet. So I'm not going to do that unless for some reason they want to get off of midnight shift and go to day shift or something like that. But that's part of the issue is why we don't get good skilled people in those roles. It's simply because we don't look at what they earn, And oftentimes they'll take, when you take a planner position, it becomes a salary position over an hourly position. And if you really want to mess with the planners, I'll share something I've seen in the past that happened in a chemical plant. They got a new technical director, and he said, okay, let's shake things up. And I'm like, excuse me? And he says, yeah. He says, what we're going to do is we're going to have the maintenance of the mechanical planners plan for the electricians, and we're going to have the electrical planner plan for the mechanics. And I'm like, nah. And then if you really want to get somebody emotional, start playing with their pay. And that's what he did. He took them from hourly to salary. And then that wasn't working. So then the salary with overtime. And I'm like, still, by then he had disenfranchised pretty much every planner they had as part of that, and it's just like, those are things you don't want to do as part of it. So it's a craft, and we need to treat it like a craft. And it's also planning and scheduling as part of that.
So